This is Mahmoud and Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we're going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is our isometric view and this is our front view. And in here we can see we have a cross-section view AA, and this is our cross-section view AA. Then we can see we have another cross-section view BB, and this is our cross-section view BB. So first of all, I will start drawing from the front plane. In the front plane, I will draw this circle, and this circle has a diameter of 95 unit. If I look at our section AA view, we can see that here the solid portion has a distance of 7 unit, and also we have another solid portion distance of 7 unit. Okay, for that I will draw another circular profile here, and this circular profile will have a dimension of 95 minus 7 unit. Okay, after that we need to draw another inner circle, this one. And for drawing this inner circle, we can see here this solid portion and here this solid portion each has equal dimension of 7 unit and also have a dimension of 7 unit here. Okay, for that I can say this inner circle, as this inner portion has a dimension of 30 unit, so this circle has a dimension of 30 plus 7 unit plus 7 unit. Okay, after that I will draw two center line here, one center line here and another center line along this way. So if we go back to our section BB view, okay, in our here this section BB view has a dimension of 10 unit. So here this half distance is 5 unit and this half distance is 5 unit. So I will draw two offset line here along this line, and both has a distance of 5 unit here and 5 unit here. Then along this horizontal line we will draw another two offset line. Okay, and this offset 2 line has also dimension of 5 unit and 5 unit. So after doing all of that, I will trim all the extra portion. Then I will use the fillet here, and here we can see fillet of 7 radius, and there we can see we have another fillet here and here, and this fillet has a dimension of radius 12 unit. Okay, so let's go back to our SolidWorks. So I'm first of all selecting the front plane from here. Now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it. After that I'm selecting the circle tool from here and drawing a circle of 95 diameter. So after that I will select another circle tool from here and draw a circle of 95 minus 7 unit and minus 7 unit. So it will give a outer circle, and for the inner circle we will draw another circle of 30 diameter plus 7 unit plus 7 unit. Okay, so our this portion has been done. Now it's time for drawing the center lines. For that I'm selecting the center line tool from here and drawing a horizontal center line here. Then similarly I am selecting again the center line tool from here and drawing a vertical center line here. Now it's time for offset this center lines. For that I'm selecting the offset interest from here, and as the total offset is 10 units, so the half offset will be 10 divided by 2, so it will be 5 units. Select this center line, make sure to select bidirectional. Now select this center line, now press OK. So all the portion has been done. Now select the trim entities and we will trim all the unnecessary line that we don't need. So I am trimming away all the lines. Okay, the lines we don't need, so trim this upper portion. Okay, now trim this right side portion. Now trim this lower portion. Okay, so all the trimming has been done. Now it's time for giving the fillet. For that I'm selecting the fillet tool from here, and first of all we'll fillet it to 7 radius, so dimension to 7 radius. Now select all the outside corners, so selecting all the outside corners from here. Now press OK. Now again we need to do a fillet of 12 radius, so dimension it to 12 radius, and now select this inner corners. So I'm selecting all the inner corners from here. Okay, so all the inner corners has been selected. Now press OK. Now we need to extrude boss. If we look back to our sketch, we have extrude boss of 6 unit here. Okay, so I'm going to isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude boss, it to 6 unit. So extrude boss it to 6 unit and select this portion. Now press OK. So our extrude boss has been done quite well. Now, if we go back to our sketch again, we can see we have this circle, and for drawing this circle, we can say that it has a dimension. This total solid has a dimension of 7 unit. Okay, but this radius portion has a dimension of 3 unit. So this extra portion will give a 7 minus 4 3 unit. So it will be 4 unit. So we can say that we have a dimension of 30 plus 4 unit plus here the 4 unit. Okay, and after that we will extrude it to 3 unit. So finally, after doing that, we will draw the extrude cut circle, and this inner extrude cut circle has a dimension of 30 unit. Then I will extrude cut it to through all, and finally we can see we have sub chamfer. Here we have a chamfer of 0.5 and 45-degree angle, and we will give the all the chamfer tools chamfering on the surfaces. So let's go back to our SolidWorks. So first of all, I'm selecting this upper face. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select the circle tool from here and place the circle tool here, and give a dimension of 30 plus 4 unit. Because if we want to more elaborate it, you can write it like 7 minus 3. So it will be 4 unit. In the same way, 7 minus 3. So it will be 4 unit. Okay, it is 38 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss, and this time we will extrude boss it to 3 units. So dimension is 3 unit. Now press OK. Now select this top face. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Then normal to it. Then select the circle tool from here and draw a circle of 30 diameter. Okay, we have drawn a circle of 30 diameter. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all. So I'm going to extrude cut it to through all both. Now press OK. So all the portion has been done. Now it's time for we can see all the fillets and chamfer. Here we can see we have a fillet of radius 3 unit, and we have a chamfer of 0.5 unit 45-degree angle in all the faces. Okay, so we'll give all of these. So now I am selecting the fillet tool from here, and this time we will give a fillet of radius of 3 unit and zoom it here and select this circular edge. Okay, our fillet has been selected. Now press OK. So this time we have given the fillets. Now it's time for selecting the chamfer. So I'm selecting here, selecting the chamfer, and we have a chamfer of 0.5 unit. So chamfer of 0.5 unit and 45-degree angle, and select this face. Okay, then select this inner ring face, ring corner, then rotate it and select this back face. So all the face has been selected. Now press OK. So our chamfer has been done. Now isometric it for a better view. So as you can see, we have done a 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.